Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to show you how to find low competition niches with Helium10. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to succeed with Merch by Amazon or any other print on demand. Also, Vecteezy is offering right now 20% discount. So I really encourage you, if you are not yet a subscriber, or even if you are already a subscriber, to cancel your subscription, go into Vecteezy and buy a new subscription to have 20% on the monthly and yearly plan. This is a really good opportunity that they don't always do. So definitely use the link below to have the 20%. No code needed, just use the link below, go in there and purchase your plan. In order to use Helium10 to find low competition niches, first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in incognito mode on Amazon.com. As I already mentioned to my subscriber, when you want to use incognito mode, you have to open a brand new one. Okay, if you are using your regular browser, just click here to not use the incognito mode that is already open. Open a brand new one. Okay, and then you're gonna change your location depending on the market that you are targeting. For me, it's gonna be the US, so I enter this zip code, for example, and you're gonna do a random search. Let's say funny t-shirt, for example. Funny t-shirt, but you can enter sarcastic t-shirt or any other keyword basically, but I'm going to use this simple one. What I want to do right now is to gather a well-selling t-shirt. I want to find the best item with this keyword, funny t-shirt. Okay, and what we're going to do right now is to grab the ASIN. This one, for example, it's this one. So I copy that, and then I go now to Helium10. Helium10, we're gonna use the powerful tool, which is called 𝗘𝗫𝗪, and then you're gonna paste the ASIN here. By the way, as well, I have a coupon code for you guys for Helium10. Okay, 50% discount on your first month or 10% discount on the monthly basis. You can definitely use that even on your yearly plan. So what I suggest you is to link the link below as well as the coupon code. Okay, they're gonna be all in the description below. You subscribe and you have 30 days. If you are not satisfied before the 30 days, you can cancel your subscription. But if you continue, you can continue, and you're gonna continue to gather a lot of keywords and so on. So I pasted that. Now before clicking on get keywords, you have to pay attention to here, exclude variation. Okay, if you put your mouse in the eye, gonna be only include keyword associated with the exact ASIN entered. If you are clicking, it's gonna bring you keyword only for this ASIN, or otherwise gonna bring real broad keyword. Okay, but if you are targeting really specific niches, this one is really broad, so I'm gonna leave it and click. But if you're targeting, let's say for example, let's say a German Shepherd, a niche brand, or a particular cat niches brand, so definitely useful to you to exclude variation. But here, because I'm going really broad, I'm gonna leave it and check. So I click now on the get keywords. It's pretty fast, and now we have the list of keywords here. Before going any further, I'm gonna show you what we have down there as keyword. The important column here for me is gonna be the search volume, okay, and the competing product. But I want to show you right now search volume and Amazon rank. If I sort by the Amazon rank, you're gonna see that this product is running number one on the keywords, number one here on the keyword funny t-shirt by defense. What we have to understand is that Helium10 on a periodic basis will go to Amazon and crawl the page, test all the keywords, and they're gonna find out that at this point, this t-shirt was ranking number 1 for this keyword, okay, and number 2, and so on. Now, if I sort by search volume, you're gonna see that, for example, funny gift, we have 70,000 search volume for this keyword, but you can see the competing product is really high. So what we want to do here is to have low competition keyword with high volume search, okay? And if I want to filter, now I can click on this filter here, and I'm gonna go to competing product with a maximum, let's say 500, okay? Now, in terms of the search volume, I want keyword, for example, that are searching at least, for me, 50 a month. It's okay, because if people are searching 50 a month, and then I can get like 2-3 sales per t-shirt, 2-3 sales per t-shirt per design, for me it's gonna be very good, okay? Because I'm in a higher tier, so if all my t-shirts are selling like that, I'm gonna be pretty satisfied. So now you have your list of keyword here. Not all of them are directly related to your design, because as you remember, I didn't click exclude variation. That's why you can see, for example, here Russian gas mask, okay, because this one is pretty searched right now, certainly. So now we have the keyword here, and as I said, I wanted keyword with less than 500 competing products, and now I can go in there and look for them and look for a good keyword. And all the keywords here are related to the featured keyword here. Very important. It's not the keyword in the third or second page, so you have to remember that. Maybe I'm gonna sort it to have the lowest competition. You're gonna find a lot of keywords that are branded and so on, so of course you have to avoid them. You have this here, this keyword that say too cool for school. It's a mask, but can be very interesting as a t-shirt. So let's copy that and go to Amazon. Too cool for school t-shirt, and we can see that there is t-shirt here exists. Too cool for school t-shirt, and now we can see 42 results here. Too cool for school t-shirt, and we can see that these t-shirts are selling. For me, a sale, it's a sale. So as long as it is selling a few times per month, I'm pretty okay with that. And the competition is pretty low. 42 results means that we only have one page, okay, only one page. So if I come here with design like 20 design, so definitely I'm gonna dominate the niche, and it's gonna be very good for me. Sassy workout, thanks for women, and we can see that with this specific code, sassy workout, let me copy that. With this exact keyword, we can see that no t-shirt here have written on it sassy workout, but we know that people are looking on Amazon sassy workout, thanks for women. So this is gonna be a keyword that definitely I can target if I create my t-shirt. It's gonna be tank top in this case, but definitely if I am the only one with this exact phrase in the title, like written like that, and with a sassy, even simply written on the t-shirt, sassy workout, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rank number 1, I'm gonna rank higher, and I'm gonna make sale. So this is what you're gonna do. So I won't take your time and look for all the keywords, but definitely you have to look into it, dig into it to find profitable keywords. 15 minutes, 20 minutes won't help you. You have to put the time, and with this tool that already reduced the competition here, because I was able, remember, to reduce the number of competition and have my search volume here. I was able to reduce the volume of keyword that I can review. It's still 1000, so it takes time. Okay, if I was not using this tool, I was only going for the full list of keywords. If I show you right now, you can see 7000. So my time right now has been divided by almost 7. So definitely a useful tool to find low competition keyword, to find low competition product to sell. That was it for today. And remember, you have the code to have 50% your first month or 10% on a monthly basis, plus the 30 days trial that you can use. The link is in the description. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.